This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Kelly Shuler. Rare find in North Georgia. Imagine yourself sipping sweet tea on the covered porch of this southern charmer overlooking the rolling hills that slopes gently to your private pond and year-round long-range mountain views. This very spacious home offers 3 bedrooms/4.5B, large kitchen, well laid out floor plan, stacked stone fireplace, new HVAC, new roof, built-ins and 4-car garage. The grounds sit on 14.24 acres with flowing creek, barn and chicken coop. What more could you ask for? This one of kind and will not be available long. Schedule your appointment today. For more information, review the details below or contact Kelly Shuler at 828-361-2074.